Good evening, everyone. Welcome back. Welcome back with the additional of today's newspaper on Friday, September the 8th, 2023. And we have here 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. We have 2 jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars and one with 1 star. In Dutch, they call it cyberblock. In Japanese, suguru. Sometimes they call this Sudoku also a tectonic. And last puzzle is a binary puzzle, a taguzu. Yes, in Japanese. And these puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. Only half of them. I will solve 4 of them. Why? Well, it's too much for me. Time consuming. And I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Yeah, otherwise it will be a day job for me. Alright, the first one I will do is the 3 Stars Sudoku number 7060. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 28 printed digits. Should be an easy one because the 3 stars, usually the 3 stars puzzle has 25. This one has 3 digits more, so it should be a 0 stars. For 0 stars I need to be faster than 40 minutes, 15 minutes. But if it's really a 3 stars, then I need 20 to 30 minutes. Correction, 20 to 30 minutes. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see which number I can pick. How about? Well, we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in the third column, so no 2 in this box. Here 2 in this big square, so no 2 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 in the middle row. Show me there. 2 in this column, third column, 2 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Well, 1, 1, 5, 5. 8, 8. Come on. 9 should be here. 9 should be here. We have a 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row, so the row above, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here. On there, we see a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9. Okay, 3. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in this column, no 4 there, 4 should be here, 4 in this column, 4 in that column, so the column be 3 in the middle column, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in this row, no 4 there, 4 should be here. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 4. We have a 4 in the first row, so no 4 in these 3 boxes. So the 4 in this big square could be here, could be there. 4 in one of those 2 boxes. In the first column, 4 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in this row, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4, 4. Okay. Now, 6 in the last column, 6 in the column next to that column, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in this row, no 6 there, 6 should be there. Need a 2 here, need a 2 there. Alright, well, 6, 6, 6, 6. And Come on. 7. Yeah, 3 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing number in this column is number 7. We have a 7 in this row, second row, so no 7 there. Here, 7 in the last row, so no 7 there. So the only place left with the 7 in this column should be there. Then 7. 7. Well. 7. Come on. Yeah. 1. Need a 6 here. 3. The 7. 3, 7, 2, 4, 9. Come on. 6 and the 7. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers in this row. 2 of those missing numbers in this row are numbers 6 and the 7. We have a 6 and a 7 in this big square, so no 6 and a 7 in these 2 boxes. 6 and the 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So what are the other 2 missing numbers in this row? Those missing numbers are: the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 and 7. 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and 1 goes there, so 1 is left in this big square for number 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 5, 5 and the 1, 5. Here we have a 5. 9, need a 9 here. And the 7. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 8, 6. 3, 8, 6. Well, we have 3 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is an 8 in this row. We have an 8 in this column, no 8 there, so the 8 could be there. So the 3 and the 6, I believe. 3 and the 6 are left. I need to wait here. 8. Well, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have 8 in this column, no 8 in these 2 boxes. So the 8 could be there. Here we have 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have 8 in this column, no 8 in these 2 boxes. Here and 8 in this row, no 8 in those 2 boxes. So the 8 could be there. 8 in this row, 8 in one of those 2 boxes. In the row below, so last row, the only 2 places left with 8. Could be there. 4. One of the missing number in the last row is number 6. We have a 6 in this big square, so no 6 in these 3 boxes. So the 6 goes together with the 8 as a pair. 6 and 8. We have a 6 in this second column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and 8 goes there. So 3 numbers left in this row, the last row for numbers. The 1 is missing. Yeah, the 1. The 2 is missing. 3, 4, and the 5 is missing. 1, 2, 5. 1, 2, 5. 1, 2, 5. 1, 2, 5. 1, 2, 5. That means the other 2 missing numbers in this big square are the numbers: the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. 3 and the 7. 3 and the 7. We have 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 7 goes there. 3, 3, 1, 1. How about Well. 8, 4, 6, 3, the 9. Need a 9 here. Need a 1 here. 7, 4. Well, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this row. No 7 in these two boxes. So the 7 could be here, could be there. Okay, we have a 7 in one of those two boxes in this column. 7. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in one of those two boxes in the third column, so no 7 in this box. We have also 7 in this row, so no 7 in those two boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 in this big square. Should be there. 7 in the first column, 7 in one of those two boxes in the third column, so the column between the second column, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 7. I've marked those two boxes earlier with 8. We have an 8 now in the second column, so no 8 there. 8 should be there. So 2 numbers left in the second column. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and 5, 3 and 5. We have a 3 in this big square, so no 3 there. 3 should be here. 5 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this big square. The 7 and the 6. In this big square, we have a 6 in the middle row. No 6 there. 6 should be here. 7 goes there. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row, so the row above, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 1 digit left in this row for number 7 then. Okay. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here. On there, we see a 7 in the second row, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1 is missing. The 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 1 and 9, 1 and 9. We have a 1 in the third column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and then 9 goes and there. 1 digit left in the third column for number 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. Okay. 1, 2, 3 is missing. 4 is missing, and then number 9 is missing here. 3, 9, 3, 9, 3, 9. Okay. 2 missing numbers in this row for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. 2 and 6, 2 and 6. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 2 goes there. And we have a 6 in this column, 6 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here. On there, we see a 6 in the second row, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. Then 1, 2, 5, 1, 2, 5. 1, 8, 5, 1, 8, 5. 3 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers, the 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. And 8 is missing. 1, 5, 8. 1, 5, 8, 1, 5, 8, 1, 5, 8. Then look with 1 and a 5 in the middle column. So no 1 and 5 in this box. 1 and a 5 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left should be the 8. Right. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. Okay. We have an 8 in the middle column. So this box can't be an 8 anymore. That box should be an 8. 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers, the 1 is missing. The 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 1 in the middle column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 1 and a 5, we have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 5 goes there. So 1 digit left in this column. For number 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. We have a 2 in this third row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 5 goes there. And we have a pair, the 1 and the 5 in the first row, the 1 and the 5 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 1 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and the 5, 1 and the 5. We have a 5 in the last column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 1 goes there. So 1 digit left in the second row for the number 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. So the 3 and the 9 are left. Let me mark those, 3 and the 9. Okay, 1, 2, 5, 1, 2, 5. 1 in the last column, 1 in the column next. On that column, the only place left with 1 should be there. So 2 numbers are left, the 2 and the 5 are missing. We have a 5 in the last column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 in the last column, 2 in that column. So the column between, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here. On there, we see a 2 in the third row, no 2 there. 2 should be there. So 2 numbers are left, the 3 and the 9 in the first row, 3 and the 9. We have a 3 in the last column, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, 9 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 9. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers, the 1 and 2. 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Finish in 16 minutes. Well. 14, 15 minutes. Well, difficult. Maybe I talk too much. 3 stars. No. Let me give this a 2 stars. I'm not faster than 15 minutes. But we solve it again, and I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it myself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.